Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to LIBS Homeschool. This is Muhammad Emdadul, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class of class Nursery. Our today's topic is even number part 3. In this part, we will learn the even numbers from 81 to 90. The students, in the previous class, I have learned even numbers from 51 to 60, 61 to 70, 71 to 80 and 91 to 100. We have learned in two previous classes. Today we will learn the even numbers from 81 to 90. The students, in the half yearly also you have learned how can you identify the even numbers, and I have taken two classes on the annual term also on this topic. Today also I will explain how can you understand a number is even or odd. The students, you know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 numbers here. And you have learned how to separate these numbers are even or odd. For this I am writing here odd and even. The students, if a number we can express as a pair, then the number is known as even. If we can't express as pair, then the number will be odd. Suppose I have some balls. I will express 1 by ball. Suppose 1 means 1 ball, 1 means 1 ball, 1 means 1 ball. This is a ball. If it is 1, it's without pair. Pair means 2. Pair means 2. But here is only 1 ball. So this is not a pair. If it is without pair, then the number will be odd. So we can write 1 as odd. Then 2. 2 means 2 balls. We can show 2 balls in this way. Suppose this is a pair of ball. This is a pair of ball. So we can express 2 as a pair. So 2 is even. We can express 2 as a pair. So 2 is even. Similarly, now 3, we can express 3 in this way. 1 pair, here is a pair of ball, here is another ball that is without pair. That is without pair. So 3 is without pair, it means that 3 is odd. Now we can express 4 as 2 pairs. 1 pair, here is another pair. 2 pair of balls here. So we can express 4 as pair. It means that 4 is an even number. Now go to next number 5. 5 means 5 balls. So we can express 5, 1 pair, 2 pair and another one. Here is 5 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can express 5 as without pair. It means that 5 is odd. Now 6 we can express as pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means that we can express 6 as a pair. It means that 6 is an even number. Now next number 7. We can express 7 in this way. 7. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 balls here. The students see 3 pairs and 1 is without pair. So 7 is not even, 7 is odd. Now 8. We can express 8 in this way. 8 balls. here we have expressed 8 as pair of balls here. So 8 is an even number. Now 9, we can express 9 as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and here is 9 balls. Total 9 balls here, and this is without pair. It means that 9 is odd. Now 10, we can express 10 as pair of balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 5 pairs here. It means that we can express 10 as pair of balls. It means that number 10 is even. The students, if we write a number of 2 digits, suppose I am writing 56. 56 is a number. Here 6 is the last digit, and this last digit is known as ones place. Position of this digit is ones, and this position of this digit is known as tens. The students, remember that 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 are even. It means that here 0 is in ones place. It means that a number is said to be even if its ones place is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. If its ones place is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. If ones place is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0, then the number is called even. Now I have to write the even numbers from 81 to 90. So see the numbers from 81 to 90. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89 and 90. The students, now see, ones place of 81 is 1. 1 is not even, this is odd. So we can take this one. 82, here ones place is 2. If it is 2, then this is even. So we have to write 82 as even. Now 83, ones place is 3 here. 3 is odd. So this is not even. Now 84, ones place is 4. Ones place is 4. If ones place is 4, then the number is even. So 84 is even. Now 85, ones place is 5 here. So see here 5 is odd. So this is not even. Now 86, ones place is 6. Here is 6 is in even. So the number 86 will be even. Then 87, here ones place is 7. 7 is odd. So this is not even. Now 88, here ones place is 8. 8 is even. So 88 is even. Now the next number 89. 9 is odd. So this is not even. Next number is 90. Here ones place is 0. Here ones place is 0. So 90 is even. The students, I hope you have understood how can you identify a number is even or not. Just you have to observe the ones place. If ones place is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0, then the number will be even. The students, depending on today's lecture, I have given 2 homeworks for you. First one is write the even numbers 61 to 70 and write the even numbers 91 to 100. Solve these 2 questions as your homework Submit your homework on next Sunday. Keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. Stay home. Stay safe. See you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.